Hey guys, and welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we're going to be covering opening and reading files. We can open files using the Python function open, passing the file name and the reading mode as parameters, which will return us a file object. I think this is easily explained using an example. So we have our sample text here, which is a quote from the Count of Monte Cristo by Alexandre Dumas. And so we're going to set a variable f equal to the open of our sample.txt, and we want to open it in read mode. Now we can set a variable quote equal to the f.read brackets. Now this is going to go through the file object f, which we have set as a variable here, and read its entire contents. So let's go ahead and run that module. And if we check quote, you'll see indeed it does have the content of the text file. I regret now, said he, having helped you in /n, your late inquiries, etc. You can notice right away that there's this odd character \n. What exactly is that? That's not quite what our text file looked like, even though the writing is the same. And what this actually represents is a new line. So if we were to print off the quote, you can see that it does come out the way that it was supposed to, and that's because the new line character here indicates that the next line should be printed off. So you can actually see that if we were to print off hello-n abrar, it's one line, two line. So let's try to read our file again. We have f and we're going to read. And we actually get an empty string. Why does that happen? You would think that it would start off and print off the exact same thing, but that's actually because when we open up a file object, we actually have a pointer indicating where we are right now in the file. So opening up a file, you actually start off at the 0th index, and after we read, the pointer is actually at the end of the file, and when we call f.read, there's actually nothing left to be read in the file. So what we want to do is take that pointer that's at the end of the file and put it back to the beginning. We can actually do that using the object file method seek. So let's seek back to the 0th index and try to read, and you'll see that indeed we do get the contents of the file again. After we're done working with the file, we can actually close it using f.close, and this frees up any system resources that are being used by the file object and closes that file completely. After closing the file, any attempts to use the file will automatically fail, and I encourage you to try that yourself. That's about it for this lecture, and I'll see you guys next time.